What if you ordered an Uber or a Lyft and this came instead? Now, the girls didn't complain, but it did take an hour to get home. We're going to break it down right now. Hey everyone, Chris here for the RideShare Guy. And if you ordered an Uber or Lyft, you know that you get the picture of the person that's coming, you get the license plate, you get the car make and model, color, and you have all the information to know who your driver is. Not only that info, but you also see it on a live map, knowing exactly where the driver is. You know when they stop at a stop sign, when they stop at an intersection, and when they're right around the corner. But what happens if you order a Lyft or an Uber and a rickshaw comes? Clearly, this person did not pass the vehicle guidelines when it came to being an Uber or Lyft driver. But if you haven't been able to pass a background check due to some circumstance and it denied you from driving Uber or Lyft, well, this message is for you.
Thanks, guys. I'm excited to be working with the RideShare Guy again. My firm has been helping Uber and Lyft drivers who've been denied employment because of background checks. We've helped literally hundreds of consumers all around the country who've lost a rideshare job because of a false background check. If this has happened to you, please give us a call at 888-822-1777 or visit our website at www.smithmarco.com. Thanks again. We're looking forward to helping you.
Thanks, Larry. And again, if you've been deactivated due to a background check, link's going to be in the description below. You can get hold of Larry and his team. So this is a TikTok that the girl had posted, as you see right now. And it's essentially them sitting in a rickshaw where the guy is running down the street from the club to their drop-off location. So first off, this is a pretty cool story and what had happened when it comes to the people accepting the ride, even though it wasn't really their driver. Hopefully in good practice that they actually canceled the Lyft ride instead of them coming, waiting for a no-show and then having to cancel and all that hoopla. Now, in this case, it actually took an hour to get home, but they didn't really seem to mind. And I don't know, in this case, would you really mind if it took you that long if you had a really nice night out and had a rickshaw taking you? What are your thoughts? Comment below and let us know. Also, if you're watching this and you don't know if rickshaws are allowed on the Uber or Lyft platform, they're not. In fact, it has to be 4 doors within a certain year, model, make, and it also needs to have all seatbelts, either 4 or up to 8, depending on the type of vehicle. But maybe they should start offering that in certain cities, especially if the ride is going to be short and not going to be too far. That person could potentially take them. And let me tell you, if you're sitting in your car 6, 8, 10 hours driving Uber or Lyft, that's not good for the health. And, you know, this person's going to be really in shape if he's walking and running all over the place for a couple hours every day instead of just sitting in your car. So maybe that's something they should bring around. I mean, they already offer the ability to use bikes or even walking when it comes to food deliveries in select cities. So maybe this could be something. All right, so share your comments and thoughts on this, or have you had some crazy little interaction when it came to trying to get a ride or giving a ride and maybe somebody else showed up? What had happened? Comment below and let us know. All right, if you're trying to save money at the pump like this guy's trying to save money by not spending any and getting a rickshaw, although you have a vehicle, so you got to spend gas. Make sure you check out this video right here with our favorite gas app when it comes to gas savings, the Upside app. So check out that video right there. Make sure you subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. Drive safe out there.